everybody. Welcome to the very first video of Tasty Explorations. This is a new virtual cookbook club that we're going to try here at the Milton Public Library. And what it is basically a way to share recipes and our love of cooking and food. And so each month will feature a specific book that you can check out from the library, and then I will have videos, just a review of what I thought of the book, and maybe share a recipe or two from it. It's just a way to engage the community and people who love cooking and food. And so if you're interested, definitely keep an eye out for these videos and come by the library to check out a copy of the books. And so let me introduce you to our first book of the year. It is called Cook As You Are by Ruby Tando. And for those of you who don't know who Ruby is, she is actually what I would say a celebrity from the TV show, The Great British Baking Show. I don't really know her from the show. I've just seen her cookbooks come through, and what I liked about this one is this is actually her second book. Her first book is called Eat Up. But this one, the subtitle is Recipes for Real Life, Hungry Cooks and Messy Kitchens. So, and it's really got a lot of fun illustrations in it. For example, there's no photographs, which I'm kind of a cookbook snob in that area. I like my cookbooks to have the pretty glossy photos of what I'm supposed to be making. And of course, my recipes don't always look like what the book says they should. So instead, she has these really fun illustrations, which are really neatly drawn, and they're colorful and enjoyable, but I kind of missed that in the book, that there's no photos of the real food. But her premise and her idea that she talks about in her introduction is that she wants it to be an accessible cookbook for anybody who cooks, not just like, you know, even an amateur chef, just anyone. And so she talks about how cooking should be accessible to all, and you should just cook with whatever you've got. And so it's kind of a fun, laid-back approach to a cookbook. The recipe I made today is called Whatever You've Got Fried Rice, which is exactly how it sounds. You make fried rice, and then you add in the ingredients that you have lying around in your kitchen. And so, for example, I made fried rice, and I'll show you my bowl. It's not very pretty, but and I had some leftover spiral ham from Christmas, and some scrambled eggs from my chickens, of course, and I've got some peas and carrots in that. So she works you through the recipe saying, you know, this is essentially how you make fried rice, but then here's some ideas. This is stuff that I recommend you throw in there, but you could throw in whatever you want. And that's what's kind of nice about all of her different recipes, is each one has kind of the essentials. This is how you make that dish. But then she says, but you could go this way. Or if you need to substitute something, you could go that way. So it's very laid back, conversational kind of cookbook. And I enjoy it for those reasons. I don't know if I like every recipe in the book, but she was trying to get a really global perspective, and a lot of the things that maybe she as a professional chef and food critic has lying around in her pantry, I don't have in mine. So I'm very boring in that regards. So I couldn't say that I could just easily make any recipe she has in the book, but I do like how she goes back and will say stuff like, sometimes you're just tired and it's okay to just make grilled cheese for dinner, you know? And what's wrong with grilled cheese, right? So we made this Whatever You've Got fried rice. It's really delicious, very simple, not hard to make. And I think a lot of the recipes would be fun and easy. So that is January 2025's book for our Tasty Explorations Cookbook Club. Again, if you want to participate or check out a copy of the book, just head to the library. We'll have them at the desk there for you. And let us know what you think of the book. Did you like it? Was it okay? Did you make something? Was it absolutely delicious? Let us know. But until next time, I hope you have fun exploring. Bye!